Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Google price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis and taking a look of course at Google for the all-time history. On the weekly chart we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, finishing a wave 1 and probably ABC of course very obviously, and a zigzag for a wave 2. After this you're looking for a wave 3 impulsively 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, finishing a wave 3 in the yellow, and then correction ABC of course, and you're looking right now for a wave 5 toward the upside. Your wave 5 might be of course several 1, 2s in the beginning, or it can be just 1, 2 and moving towards the upside of course in a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Currently you are in this small wave 5 to finish this wave 5 in the yellow count and in the of course the magenta count, where we want to see of course on the weekly here probably another new scenarios, meaning when we finish this impulse toward the upside 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, you probably finished a wave A, B and a C continuation toward the upside, or probably 1 and then 2 toward the downside, and of course continuation of course for higher prices. However, in both case scenario you would likely see 3 corrective waves, and it might be a little bit a deep 3 corrective waves, of course taken from this point here to the top here. You might of course hit a little bit even lower than this for a wave 2. I would say here wave 2 as an impulse, I would say 0.3846 dollar for Google. That is a very of course big correction toward the downside, and then a move up of course again. However, before talking about this, we have to estimate the wave 5 how much longer it's gonna hold on. It might be of course the same price taken from your wave 1, same price and time as well. It can be of course that it might extend of course toward the upside. We did not said that of course we have just 1, 2. Now we see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but this might transform into a wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 to finish a wave 5 of course with a longer price action. So let's dive deeper of course inside this wave to see what's going on here. So as you can see, very probably that we are looking for a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 towards the upside here on the weekly chart. So let me just organize this in the weekly. And if we move to the daily right now, on the daily we can see guys that we probably have some rejection here. And we see, of course, 3 waves toward the upside currently, in case we are 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So basically I need to count this in a better way. So what I'm gonna do here, probably I'm gonna put a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 a little bit in bigger count here, so we can see it clearly what's going on here. Okay, gap. Interesting. So let's move to the white here scenario and say that we want to finish this as a main wave 5 towards the upside. So here we have, if we count 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, this is your wave 3, 4 and a 5. Yes. And yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 exactly. And 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, finishing wave 3. That's true. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Here we go. Sorry, I'm counting this to be much more precise of course what's going on. And then your wave 5, let's check it. 1, 2, 3. Interesting as well. Very extended wave 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Your wave 4 did not interfere with your zone 1, but the problem is that your wave 3 might be very shallow. Therefore, something wrong starts from here. Exactly. In this wave 5, meaning meaning this might be a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Well, it can be of course a very short wave 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Okay, it's still possible, Let's just leave it there. It's the highest possibility. And then of course a correction, clear correction for wave 4. Very nice with the wave 2 as alternation, and also it is equal or double in time for wave 2, so very nice. and then we're moving toward the upside. Okay. Now in this wave, here comes the problem. Because we have, of course, a three waves toward the upside, correction again, of course, and continuation. So it doesn't really sound like really nice. So if we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, your wave 4 is coming back to the place that's normal. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. Yeah, that's very possible. Okay, it is very possible, guys. Let's move to the 4-hour chart. Maybe we see it clearer a little bit. So we have, yeah, this is an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. ABC 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. But this wave 4 interfere with your zone 1. That's my problem. But you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Aha. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. No, that's true. That was true. Okay, let's label this to not forget it anymore because it's very tricky here. 4 and a 5. It's unreadable actually, but yeah, it needs some time to figure it out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Here we go, guys. We got it. And this is here. Here we go. This is our next price action. Very nice for the wave 4s because based on Elliott wave theory, in case you have double 1, 2, your double 4, 5, 4, 5 should meet on the same level. Well, we have the same wave 4. Now this wave 4 is moving lower somehow, so we have to be careful with it. However, if we have here this is our second wave 4 here, exactly this one. So if we are looking for a wave 4 on this level, wave 4, here we go. Yeah, we are very, very close to the 0.5 fib level, which is very low, I would say. For a wave 4, normally it shouldn't hit this level. I mean, it can be, of course. It is a very eligible fib level for a wave 4. But it's not nice to see, and be careful from the invalidation. I mean, it's so far. Okay, this is invalidation of bullish. Yeah. So if the price, of course, comes to this area, there is no continuation for wave 5 anymore. Something else will unfold, but most possibility can be bearish. Yeah, it's gonna unfold, of course, higher without taking the high anymore. This is the idea. If you get this price action, which is exactly at 169. Yeah. So this is, of course, our scenario. You would like to see now a hit for the wave 4. Anyway, you have a gap. You need to close it and continue for a wave 5. Our targets for a wave 5 are the following. 1, and given from this wave 3 here, 5/1. Here we go, guys. These are your targets between, of course, the blue box here given in this area. Yeah, so basically we want to hit between 225 to 237. For a wave 5, closing this gap, hitting probably the 0.5, 182, and then continuation toward the upside. Finishing this, of course, finishing this wave. And with it is gonna finish a wave 5 in the yellow count here and a wave A in the bigger count, which is the major count. We're gonna see how this is gonna unfold later on. That was it for the Google. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.